There is a price to pay for healing your wounds. Imagine you're holding onto a heavy, old suitcase filled with past items that no longer serve you. It's comforting in a way. The items in the suitcase have really defined who you are, but it's also weighing you down. The price of healing is to put down that suitcase and leave it behind. When you're going through healing, you'll most definitely face judgment for others who will not understand your need and desire for change. You might face rejection from people who can't accept your new path, and oftentimes this comes from people closest to us, our family, our friends, our partners. You might feel a sense of abandonment, as if you're losing parts of yourself. But here's the truth. What gets lost is replaced with something far more valuable. By letting go of the old, you create space to discover new, deeper parts of yourself. The price of healing can feel high, but it's a price worth paying. When you embrace it, you open a door to a life filled with greater self-love, and you attract deeper, more fulfilling relationships into your life.